Okay, so welcome to social psychology. So this is our first official lecture, and the topic is intrapersonal cognition. And of course, cognition means thought processes, right? Intrapersonal, the intra portion of that means self-cognition. In other words, how we think about ourselves. Now, at the beginning of each of our lectures, I'm going to have you fill out a couple of questionnaires that then, during the process of the lecture, we will look into and explore further. But you need to fill them out and score them first, and you're going to start out with questionnaire 1. If you just go under the questionnaires tab, if you haven't already done this, and fill out questionnaire 1 and then score it according to the instructions on the bottom. Then fill out questionnaire 2 and score it according to the instructions on this next slide. Okay, so you can go ahead and pause the video here, fill out both questionnaires, and score them both, and then join us again. I'm also going to be beginning each lecture with a few questions that I just want you to answer to yourself. Or if you have somebody with you, it can be really fun to do this with them. Pause the video after each one. And what do you think? What do you think? Just discuss it with each other, get both of your opinions, and then start the video again. So the first question: do dogs and some cats have the ability to recognize themselves in the mirror? Number 2, if you deny yourself something all day, like maybe overeating, will this help or hurt a later attempt at self-regulation, like maybe not drinking too much that evening? And number 3, this is a fun one. How do humans, similar to dogs, mark their territory? It was a chilly day when state troopers arrived on an island off from Maine to arrest Fred DeMera. His neighbors were shocked when Martin, as they knew him, was not teaching high school English, French, and Latin. He was directing a troop of scouts, or supervising Sunday school, or playing Santa Claus for the children. Since the time Fred had run away from home when he was 17 to the time he was incarcerated and sent to prison, he had impersonated many identities and fraudulently claimed qualifications for numerous careers, including an airline pilot, a medical surgeon, and a law school graduate. Although he ultimately did not succeed, what contributed to the length of time before he was caught was a high IQ and his impressive use of a number of person presentation strategies. So I hope you enjoy this lecture. We will be exploring many topics concerning the self in social psychology. Your quiz alone tapped into self-perception, self-regulation, and DeMera's specialty, self-presentation.